The absolute audacity of this cat holding his brother back from the television screen. Lucy used to be the tiny star of our household, but as this montage proves, she has officially outgrown her small family status and reached full-blown chaos height. In the beginning, she was just a blur of brown fur scurrying past the bookshelves, but now she occupies every square inch of the hallway like a furry landlord collecting rent. Whether she is stealthily dragging her favorite oversized blanket across the kitchen tile or sprinting toward the camera with the unbridled enthusiasm of a caffeinated toddler, Lucy is clearly running the show. When the magic word walk is finally uttered, her transformation into a majestic, floor-shaking beast is complete. She is not just a dog anymore, she is a lifestyle.
Where things might get a bit tough for her. But honestly, I think she's gonna be just fine. I think I'll be the one finding it tough. I pray Lucy serves as an example to any new families out there. If we include them, they'll include us. So we all appreciate that.
Calculation error, cat has not found the exit. These chaotic little floor demons have officially entered the wrestling phase of their lives where gravity is merely a suggestion and every tail is a mortal enemy. Witness the peak performance of these fuzzy striped potatoes as they transition from intense leg nibbling to immediate existential dread within seconds. They are clearly tiny professional athletes training for the high-stakes Olympics of tripping humans in the middle of the night.
Mola Molly. Ah, Mola Molly.
Menurut kalian di antara jenis anabul ini, mana yang bagus untuk dikembangbiakan? Maine Coon dengan bulu eksotis yang indah dan menawan, Persia pemilik wajah bulat dengan hidung pesek yang lucu, atau Munchkin, si cebol dengan keunikannya. Menurut kalian bagus yang mana, guys? Coba berikan komentar.
Put me down or I will turn into a ghost.
Oh, you hear the birds? Yeah, look at you. Tell those birds about it. Come on up. Come on up. Marina don't like me making videos, but she don't get that bird.
Keep your head down and eyes on the ball because this ginger hazard is the toughest course on tour. That moment your dog finally finds someone who matches his chaotic energy and they both decide to choose violence today. Absolutely terrifying.
Chắc chắn thì sao?
Life with felines is a chaotic fever dream where logic goes to die in orange.
Chị?
Good morning, everyone.
There you go, sir. 2 Italian beef and beans. Would you like mayonnaise or ketchup or anything like that? No?
This is fun. Three, 2, 1, dance.
ยามเย็นแสงอ่อนพาดำน้ำตาลเจ้านอนบนพื้นเย็นๆจ้องมองเพดานอยู่นานดวงตาเป็นประกายเหมือนเห็นเพื่อนตัวเล็กจิ้งจกบนผนังบ้านเมื่อมองจนตะวันลับไปเจ้าขนุนเจ้าขนุน
This is nice! Girl! This all this is you right here? Okay.
Look at those massive paws and wide eyes as this tiny criminal realizes the heist is officially over. That long weekend nap really hits different.
From a size 10 to a size 20 in the space of 1 year. What was causing all that?
Food.
My cat is currently assessing my life choices with extreme judgment from the couch. He clearly thinks he should be the one in charge of the remote and definitely deserves way more afternoon treats. Bon appetit to the High Society Feline Club, where the buffet is always open and the manners are strictly optional. These majestic kittens have clearly traded their hunting instincts for a 5-star tasting menu of gourmet fish and eggs. Watch as the spotted one leads the charge with an appetite that far exceeds its small size, while the rest of the gang joins in for a chaotic but adorable dinner party on the floor. These tiny dachshunds are auditioning for a boy band, but they forgot all the lyrics. One is screaming and the others are just hoping that looking this cute is enough today.